sitting position, everybody. So from here we will go to the next practice, that is also the balancing. We say the chin stand. This is the combination of your arm strength, and also we need to work on the spinal stretch as well. So I will show you that practice, and I will also give you that option too. So I will take you from the downward. So here you have to be raise the heel, elbow inside, and drop the chin on the bed, and try to walk in. So option 1, you just simply lift the one leg up, any beginner member, and option 2, you lift the both legs up. You go. Another thing you think that is quite, even one leg up is very challenging. So another option, so you can use the block like here, and the same thing. I will give you some time to adjust yourself, and the same, you drop the chest on the block, but your elbow try to inside under your rib cage, so that you can give the support to your rib cage. Once you have enough strength, so that time even you do not need, if you have enough strength. But initially that is good. You can keep elbow. The same way, one leg, or you can try with the both leg. Here you go. High chair leg, home block, small chair leg. Take your time. Try to do not be very high jump, because sometimes if you jump and you cannot control, so it can be accident. Give the one leg first. Yes, now very good. Just very nice, very nice, very good. One leg up only. Elbow. Somebody please explain that elbow inside. If you put elbow outside initially, it will be more challenging for you. Okay, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and comes out. Take care, relax. That's why I said you do not be jump. If you jump, sometimes you can't control. Nobody understands. Come on. Don't laugh. Chupchan. Just control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I said don't be jump. One leg. No, don't jump. Please do not jump. It can be accident. Good. Control is fine. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. You are not understanding. You are putting the elbow, you are outside. When putting elbow outside, you need more strength. This time you are not prepared for that. Once you have enough strength, then you can be trying. Kneel here. Look at her. So she have enough strength, so she is using that. So she can be try. But what I said, you take the elbow inside, so that your elbow will give you the support to holding yourself. Okay? Thumbs up. Downward facing dog. We go for the next. Yes, so next we also choose the arm balancing. First come in the plank pose. Your arms a bit wider. Jang thigh mochut. So you have to bend your elbow, gap thigh, and then your left knee on the left elbow. Right here. Come on everybody. Tawdi. This is the option 1 for beginner. Option 2, your leg straight. Option 3, right leg up also. 1, 3, 4, come here, 5, 6. Okay, so relax. Downward dog. Downward dog, downward dog. Come on, come in the plank pose. Now chun 5. Your right, change the leg. Right knee on the right elbow. Strong shoulder. It's a combination of your arm strength, your wrist, your arm, your shoulder, your core. And the main thing, your willpower. So, tap the, huh? Downward switch smooth, then try. 4, 5, then 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, child pose, relax. Child pose, relax. Downward facing dog. Gorchal lane, raise your heel. Everybody jump and your both legs in between your arms. Tatka koi swang. And now gapchan. Bend your legs, chaptai, elbow on the left knee, nilthang, nilpraveen. So here will come in the balancing. So the balancing is how your right leg, chun 5, most of the sound, little bit back. And then chun 5. This is option 1. You can bend the right leg and then lift up. Option 2, you can keep the right leg straight. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come on, chupchan, kui swang, back forward. Hit bow, high thigh lane, both hands up. Thumbs up, kui swang, back forward. Now the same. Gapchan, bend your legs. Namaste on your right side, elbow on the knee. A little put your left leg back. And now chun chai, your left leg up. You can bend left leg and lift up, or you can keep the left leg straight also. Depends on you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, sorry. Thai swam, chupchan. Legs together. Everybody jump back and downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. So this time everybody jump and your both legs out of your both palm. So this time the next balancing, we combine the hip opening together with the arm balancing. So your arms try to put back. Open arm, shoulder level, a bit wider. So just try to drop your thigh on the elbow first here. So option 1, just stay there. Option 2, you can raise the heel. Option 3, lift the leg up. Or option 4, try to leg straight. Cannot, one leg down, one leg up, any side. You can try here, you can try here. Anything you can be try. But takbir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump back, downward facing dog. Chuaso, downward dog. Takahit bow. Thauza. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And now exhale. Meow meow. Sit down. So we will practice. Okay, last practice. So last practice, this is the scorpion pose. So in this we have enough time. If you also want to practice together, two members want to practice together, so you can. So that practice, the arm balancing, first you have to be drop your elbow. So first you need to be know how to measure the gap in between your both elbow. So is the best way, you can just hold your biceps like this and then just maintain it. During practice, most of the time you can see that your elbow is opening too much, but try to be control here, otherwise so much pressure will come on the shoulder. So here we will come in the dolphin pose like this, and after dolphin pose you have to be walk in, but your spine lifting straight, keep charging the tailbone towards like here. See, shoulder always lift up, luan leg. So first option, you just stay here, that's it. Build up the strength. Option 2, you can try only any one leg up, chan chai lane or chan phai lane, or the leg, the basic leg should be your heel up, balance just only on the toe. Option 3, you can try a little bit, just be try. You can be jump like this, little bit try, little bit try, little bit try. Or option 4, legs up. You can be together. So after that, some more variations that we do not need to know right now, only this. Or you see that you need a partner, you can practice together, you try. Come on. Leg. What's your name? Hi, Jenny. Nice. Just control. You can practice together. If you want to practice together. Nice. Nice. Control. So relax. Watch and shoulders. Relax. Down in, head up. Chin, thigh, shoulder. Yes. Down in, head up. Knee up, head up. So now you can see her elbow is open too much. And she is feeling too tired. So much pressure is coming, like relax now. So that's why you need to control your arms. Tapi, right? Wait.
violin. Shoulder up. 2, 3. Violin, shoulder up. 5, 6. Your shoulder is okay? Good try. Come on. Good. Shoulder always up. Nice. Good. Very nice. Just trust on me. I will not let you fall down. Just trust on me. Think Praveenya. Go. Yes. Good. Lift your shoulder up. Violin. Very good. Violin. Very good. Nice. Good. Just control. Okay. Relax. Good. Everything in the practices or whatever, we always have steps, so we should follow the steps. Dhyamota. Okay, everybody lying down to the back. Now move up. Gab Bhaijan, Om Bhaijan.